I'm going to explain about Indian borders. What are the border countries of India and what is the length of the borders? I'm going to explain in this video. These are the border countries of India: China, Pakistan, Bangladesh, Nepal, Myanmar, Bhutan, Afghanistan. Next, I'm going to explain about what are the border countries of India, what are the maritime borders of India, what is the length of the borders of India. See, borders of India. There are two types of borders: land borders of India and maritime borders of India. Land borders means which are connected to India by the land, but maritime borders means which are connected to India through water. That is the difference between maritime borders and land borders. As we observe these borders, see here: Afghanistan, Pakistan, China, Nepal, Bhutan, Bangladesh, Myanmar. These are all connected through land to India. That is why these are all known as land borders. In some way, Pakistan, Bangladesh, Myanmar are connected to India in the way land waterway. See, observe this: land and waterway. So these countries comes under maritime borders also. Next, Sri Lanka, Indonesia, and Maldives. These countries are maritime borders for India. See, India shares land borders with China, Nepal, Bhutan, Pakistan in the north and northwest. Which countries are present under north and northwest region? China, Nepal, Bhutan, Pakistan. We observe here. See here, north and northwest. In the northwest region, Afghanistan and Pakistan are present. In the northern part, China, Bhutan, China, Bhutan, Nepal are present. In the eastern part, Bangladesh, Myanmar are present on the eastern part. As we can see that by saying in the map. Next one is, see, Bangladesh and Myanmar in the east. We discussed already. See, the length of the borders. Afghanistan contains 106 kilometers, that is 66 miles. Bangladesh contains border length of 4096 kilometers, that is 2545 miles. Bhutan contains 699 kilometers, that is 434 miles. China contains 3488 kilometers, that is 2167 miles. Myanmar contains 1643 kilometers, that is 1021 miles. Here Nepal contains 1751 kilometers border length, that is 1088 miles. Pakistan contains 3323 kilometers border length, that is 2065 miles. See, as we can observe this length of the borders, we can say by seeing at them, Bangladesh contains the largest border length and China contains the second largest border length, 3488 kilometers. Pakistan contains the third largest border length, that is 3323 kilometers. This is about land borders. Next one is maritime borders of India. What do you mean by the maritime boundary? It is a concept. How can we divide this maritime borders? Means water bodies are divided for certain nations. How can we divide it? It is a conceptual division between the earth's water using physiographic or geopolitical criteria. Based on the geopolitical criteria and physiographic criteria, these water boundaries are divided according to the nations. What will happen if we divide the maritime borders? As such, it usually bounds areas of exclusive national rights. That nation contains the rights over that maritime boundary, over mineral and biological resources. Next, India shares 7,000 kilometers maritime borders with seven nations. India shares 7,000 kilometers maritime borders with seven nations: Bangladesh, Thailand, Indonesia, Sri Lanka, Pakistan, and Maldives. These are the nations which India shares the borderline maritime borders. Next one is LOC and LAC. What do you mean by LOC and LAC? The full form of LAC is line of actual control and LOC is line of control. What is the difference between LOC and LAC? LOC refers to the military control line between the Indian and Pakistani controlled parts. This is the boundary line between the parts controlled by India and the territory controlled by Pakistan. This is the boundary line between India and Pakistan controlled parts. Next one is LAC, line of actual control. It refers to military control line between Indian controlled territory and the Chinese controlled territory. Line of actual control means this is the borderline between the Indian controlled territory and the Chinese controlled territory. By seeing this map, we can clearly observe that this is line of control and this is line of actual control. This state is Jammu and Kashmir is occupied by China for for this area up to this area. This area is known as Aksai Chin, and Pakistan occupied Kashmir up to this area, and this borderline is called line of control, and this area's name is Pak occupied Kashmir. This is the about LOC and LAC borderlines. India contains some borderlines. They have some history. We will discuss about them. See, this is Radcliffe line. This is also Radcliffe line and McMahon line. This is Durand line. What are these lines represent? Let us discuss. Radcliffe line. It was the boundary line between Indian and Pakistani portions of Punjab and Bengal provinces of British India. We go into British India now. In British India, Bangladesh and Pakistan are one nation. Means Bangladesh is known as East Pakistan at that time, and the border between the East Pakistan and West Pakistan is known as Radcliffe line. Understood? This red color line at Bangladesh and this red color line at Pakistan region, this is known as Radcliffe line. It was named after its architect Sir Cyril Radcliffe. It was named by its architect Sir Cyril Radcliffe. Next one is McMahon line. McMahon line is the boundary line between China and northeast regions of India. As we go into the map, this is the McMahon line. Northeast parts of India and China. The boundary line between the northeastern parts of India and China. This is known as McMahon line. It was proposed by British colonial administrator Sir Henry McMahon. It was proposed by Sir Henry McMahon. He was the British colonial administrator. Next, third one is Durand line. It is the borderline between Afghanistan and Pakistan in South Asia. It was established in 1893. Durand line was established in 1893 as international border between British India and Afghanistan by Mortimer Durand. It is the international borderline between British India and Afghanistan. See here, At the time of division between Pakistan and Afghanistan, this Durand line was formed. This Durand line connects to India at this point, that is 106 kilometers border length between Afghanistan and India, as we discussed earlier. This is about Durand line. It was named after Mortimer Durand. He divided India, Pakistan, Afghanistan, India with the help of that Durand line, and that line is named after Mortimer Durand. This is about Indian borders. We discussed about different land borders of India, different maritime borders of India. We discussed about line of control and line of actual control. We discussed about different border lines, Radcliffe line, McMahon line, and Durand line. Okay, this is about the Indian borders. Thank you.